gonna take this front bumper off, but I've been noticing this weird odor in my garage recently, and I don't know if you guys can see that, but there looks like there might be some sort of animal in there. That's gonna be fun to get out. For today's video, we got some more carbon fiber parts. We're gonna be completely transforming the front end of our G80. So the first thing we got is these carbon fiber brake ducts. These come OEM, but we didn't get that carbon fiber option, so we're gonna be adding these to the car. We also got the CSL grills. I actually used to hate the stock grills in the G80, but now that I actually own the car, I actually really like them. So but we're still gonna be adding the CSL grills. I still think they do look better. We're getting the splitter for the car and a diffuser. So let's go ahead and jump right into today's video. Anyway, let's get into removing this front bumper. We just got a bunch of 10 mils we gotta take out all over the place and a couple sensors. Should only take a few minutes. These bumpers are a lot more complicated than the bumper. Well, we just got a few 230s up top, and we should be done. Got the bumper finally off the car, and surprisingly, it was a bird. Got it out. But let's go ahead and hop into this install. So all the carbon bits are now put back onto the bumper. We got the CSL grills, the ducts, the splitter, everything nice and bolted up. I have to say, this looks truly amazing. But let's go ahead and throw that back on the car. So I got everything back together, and this is what it looks like, and I have to say, I'm in love with it. You can see the CSL grills peeking through right there, the carbon ducts, everything actually fitted up really well. I don't know, it almost looks too aggressive. And then the side skirts right there, I don't know, it's almost too aggressive. I feel like the bottom is so aggressive, and it's like missing something up top. I'm not sure, but right now I feel like it's kind of OEM plus. But should I go all the way? Do I get the alpha end fenders, alpha end trunk, alpha end hood? Because right now I feel like it just looks so aggressive. It looks really, really mean, but I'm not mad at what happened. Just a few carbon bits. I am in love with this look. It just looks really, really aggressive. Let me know, is this considered OEM plus? Because the side skirts are like rep M parts. CSL grills come from the M4 CSL, so it is kind of OEM plus, but I like it a lot. Everything pretty much bolts right on with these cars, and everything came out pretty well. But let me know if you want to see more install videos. Hit the subscribe button. Peace, guys.